Hey Boilermakers, we're coming to you from above the future site of the Academic Success Building at Purdue's expansion in Indianapolis. Here's what you need to know right now from Purdue University. Purdue is aiming to speed the evolution of pharma manufacturing in a new collaboration. In collaboration with Lilly and Company and Merck and Company Incorporated, Purdue announced the launch of the Young Institute Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Consortium, which will revolutionize pharmaceutical manufacturing with a focus on advanced aseptic processing technology. 4 online master's degrees in engineering are ranked #1 in the newest rankings for the best online programs from U.S. News & World Report. Purdue's full array of online master's programs in engineering ranked #2 nationally, while 3 of Purdue's online master's in educational programs moved into the top 10. Purdue had a strong presence at last week's Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. The university's strengths in semiconductors and AI at CES align with the Purdue Computes Initiative, designed to advance Purdue to the forefront of these fields with unparalleled excellence at scale. Finally, from restoring commercial air service to Purdue University Airport to the official launch of Purdue in Indianapolis, you can read up on the many administrative operations highlights over the past fiscal year in Purdue Today. Stay warm out there, everybody, and as always, boiler up.